Binance money withdrawal to bank account without P2P or person to person. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about an important topic: how to withdraw money from Binance directly through your bank account without using P2P or peer-to-peer trading. P2P is useful, but some people prefer a faster, more direct method. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-steps on how you can do it, explain different methods available depending on your country, talk about fees, processing times, and share some tips in order for you to make your withdrawal smoother. And so, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First, let's quickly understand that not all countries allow direct fiat withdrawals from Binance due to local regulations. But if your country supports it, Binance offers direct withdrawal methods like bank transfer, SEPA or SWIFT. You have instant card withdrawals, Visa, Direct or MasterCard Send, and third-party payment providers like Ethana, Custody, or Simplex for USD. Now, as an important note, you always want to check if your account is verified KYC completed. Otherwise, you won't see the withdrawal option. Now, the supported fiat currencies. Binance support multiple fiat currencies for withdrawals, including euros, British pounds, Australian dollars, Brazilian real, Turkish lira, and in some cases US dollar using some provider. The availability depends heavily on your location, so we always want to check the official Binance Fiat Channels page for the most accurate updated list. And so let's navigate through the step-by-step withdrawal process. The first thing that you want to do is to log in into your Binance account. From here, you want to make sure that your money is in your funding wallet or spot wallet, not on the earn, margin, or futures. So you can just navigate through your wallet options right here, click on overview, and simply once inside, you then want to navigate through your spot wallet right here. Now, if you see your assets inside something like the margin, futures, or more, you can just go ahead and convert them into your spot wallet. Now, let's just wait for the page to load in right here. And right after, you will be able to see the transfer button right here. Just click on the transfer button and you want to transfer them into your other wallet like the spot wallet. And so let's navigate back to our spot wallet right here. And simply inside the option, you then want to simply locate the option called withdraw. So in our case, it's going to be this button right here. Just click on the withdraw button. And right after, you then want to choose the fiat option, not crypto. Now, unfortunately, in my country, Binance.com is actually not enabled or disabled. So the only thing that I can go ahead and do inside their website is to simply select Bitcoin right here. But in your case, you will be able to see the option called your fiat, not crypto. Right after that, you then want to choose your currency, for example, euro. And from there, you then want to go ahead and choose or select the withdrawal method. You have your bank transfer for SEPA, SWIFT if available. You also have bank card, Visa Direct, and MasterCard Send if you want fast card payouts. Now, you can also go ahead and enter your bank details right after. You have the IBAN or account number, the name matching your Binance account, and the bank name and address if required. And so for the last step, you then want to confirm and complete the withdrawal. Binance will show you the exact fee and expected processing time before the final confirmation. And from there, you then have to wait for the money to land in your bank. Once again, this method right here is only available for certain countries, so you want to make sure that if you're one of those countries right here. Now for the fees and processing time. For the SEPA bank transfer, they have very low fees, often €1 or less, and the processing can be 1 to 2 business days. Now for SWIFT transfers, USD or others, they have higher fees sometimes for up to 15 to $30 depending on the bank involved. For the instant card withdrawal, the fee is usually 1%, but instant or within a few hours. Now as a tip, SEPA is the cheapest and fastest if you're in Europe. If you're using USD, it's better to use SWIFT or services like Etana custody. From there, let's talk about the common problems and how to avoid them. Withdrawal rejected because bank account name doesn't match the Binance account name. You always want to go ahead and use a personal bank account under your real name that matches the Binance name right here. Now for problem 2, withdrawal option is not available. Either your account is not fully verified or Binance doesn't support direct withdrawals in your country. You may need to use service like MoonPay, Ethana, or still P2P as a last option or resort. Now for problem 3, you have high SWIFT fees. You can go ahead and withdraw in smaller amounts or look for banks with better international wire rates. Now, let's talk about some alternatives to consider because for the last time, this feature right here is only available for some countries. Now, if direct withdrawal isn't available in your region, the alternatives include converting crypto to stable coins like USDT, then transferring to another platform like Kraken or Coinbase that supports easy bank withdrawals. So you can just go ahead and send USDT to your Coinbase account, and simply inside the Coinbase wallet right here, you will be able to go ahead and send them onto your bank account relatively easier. Now you can also use third-party fiat providers inside Binance, Ethana, or the Simplex. And lastly, using the Binance card to spend crypto directly instead of withdrawing. And so, just to make sure that it works properly, you want to make sure that your fiat is on the spot wallet in order for you to withdraw directly through your bank account from Binance. And so, that's how you can go ahead and withdraw money directly from Binance to your bank account without using P2P. It's fast, secure, and if you plan properly, it's very affordable. Just remember to double check your country's supported fiat channels and always ensure your Binance account is fully verified to avoid delays. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you want me to cover how to use Binance Convert for zero fee trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.